In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make my Shopify store live. When you first create a Shopify store, it's usually protected by a password. That means only people who have that password can see your website. This is useful while you're still designing your store, but once you're ready to launch, you need to remove that password so anyone can visit your site. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Then go to your Shopify dashboard. This is also called the Shopify admin. It's the main control center where you manage everything related to your store, like products, orders, and settings. If you're not already there, you can usually get back to it by typing your store's admin link in your browser and signing in. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. In that menu, find and click on Online Store. This section controls what your customers see on the front end of your website, including themes, blog posts, navigation, and more. When you click Online Store, it will open a sub-menu with several options underneath it. Within the Online Store section, look for and click on Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps a lot of important settings related to your storefront, such as your homepage title and description, tracking codes, and most importantly for this video, your store access settings. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll until you find the section labeled Store Access or Password Protection. Here, you'll see an option that indicates whether your online store is password protected. There will be a toggle or checkbox next to Password Protection. Right now, it's likely turned on, which is what's keeping your store locked behind a password. To make your Shopify store live, click that toggle to turn off Password Protection. When you do this, you're essentially telling Shopify that your store is ready to be visible to the public. Take a moment here to make sure you really are ready. Your products, pricing, shipping, and basic pages like contact and about should ideally be in place. After you've turned off password protection, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom right of the page, and click it. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your store will remain locked. Once it's saved, your Shopify store is now live and